What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss. As you can see, I'm running the latest EU beta, and there's one thing I really like about this ROM. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Also stay tuned till the end because there's something really special about this ROM. Alright, so guys, if I go into settings and then my device, all specs, as you can see, all specs, and then as you can see, it is Miui 12.2 and 20.9.10. So it's a day old build, and I can tell you good things about its battery, as I said before the start of the video. And the security patch is the latest for September, and obviously comes with perf kernel. And now let's move on to everything else. Alright, so guys, if you're still watching, please make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, do leave a thumbs up down below. Also, if you want any information regarding this setup and wallpaper and icons and stuff, do let me know in the description, or just join my Telegram group if you want more personal support. It's also linked down in the description. And now moving on, if I go into let's say launcher settings, as you can see, there's nothing that's changed in here. One thing that is new, if you go into change if you go through the changelog, is it says screen combo has been added. So if you go into connected and sharing, it says screen combo. And I'll give you guys a quick demo of how this works in a second, but let's move on to the other thing. So as you can see, if I go into battery and performance, my battery usage stats, I have used 7 hours of screen on time since 11 in the morning, and my charge is at 38%, which is just insane. It's just over 10 hours of screen on time, so maybe closer to 10.5 hours. It is amazing. This is the first ROM that gave me this much battery backup. But yeah, that is the good thing about this ROM gone. And now other than this, performance was fine, just the stutters were really annoying. They're still here, and this is from Xiaomi. This is not Xiaomi EU's fault, it's just Miui official, guys. They're just not doing well. So sometimes when you're pulling down the notification shade, there are frame drops, and those are really annoying. I mean, that is probably the most annoying thing. So yeah, again, there was a frame drop. I'm recording at 30 fps, so you probably wouldn't be able to tell that, but yeah, trust me, there are frame drops. It's just not smooth. If you want a smoother experience, I recommend trying the latest version of Masik. It's just better in every way. I don't know about the battery life, but it's just way smoother than this. Yeah, so that is the part that I don't like about EU, and this is from Xiaomi. So let's quickly do a super fast app opening test. I can see obviously there are frame drops in here. So if I quickly go here, there are frame drops. Definitely, I can tell you guys, there are frame drops almost all the time. So if you're someone who really cares and notices that, you should not be installing this ROM, because it's just going to be annoying. It's just annoying. Yeah. So if I go quickly, and then if I go between apps, here it's fine. They've fixed it. It's a lot better than it was a month back. But still, the frame drops, hopefully they fix it within 1.5 months, because that would bring up Android 11 as well. And also stay subscribed, because I'm dropping a video on Android 11 on Redmi K20 Pro very soon. Or actually, I might drop that one first. But anyway, whatever it is, just make sure to watch that video too. So yeah, other than this, there is not much new. If I go into, say, themes, not themes, if I go into wallpaper, super wallpapers, there are 3 wallpapers. This one has been there for a while now, so yeah, that part is there. And also, I noticed one more thing. If I turn on Wi-Fi, as you can see, there is this Vio Wi-Fi icon. They have just removed it. So if I wait a second for, yeah, so as you can see, let me actually zoom in. As you can see, it's just Vio Wi-Fi text. There used to be an icon before, which was a lot better, but they've changed it to this. I don't know why. Hopefully they change this back, but this is from Xiaomi side and not EU. Also guys, do forgive me if the brightness was a bit too high and it was a bit hard for you guys to see stuff. So let me just decrease it. I'll try to reduce it in post, hopefully, but it should be fine. So if I go back and now into security, I think it's a bit too low. So I went to security, and then it unlocked. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of animations in here. So these are the stock ones, and now they've added like 5 more. So let me go all over them. So Aurora looks something like this, and Starlight, Neon, I think this is from Mi 10 if I'm not wrong. Aurora again, this is really cool, and Pulse, I think this is from Black Shark. So yeah, I just like Star Shark. I don't know if you like one of these, let me know in the description. But yeah, that is basically about it. As I said, there are frame drops here and there, and that is the part that I hate about Miui. Other than that, I'm really impressed by battery life, because this is the first ROM that gave me so good battery backup. Alright, so I just wanted to give you a quick demo of screen combo. So we're going to here, connection is sharing, and then scanner. And on my computer I open that app. So it's this one. Let me remove my device, and let's go here and scan it. And now it just says connecting. It actually doesn't work well on my computer because it's really old, even though I have upgraded to an SSD, so it works fine for me for most tasks. But this isn't working. So as you can see, it's supposed to be mirroring the display right now, which it isn't doing. So yeah, that's kind of sad. But if I go into any app, say messaging, and then if I press this on the computer, it will go into home screen here. If I turn off my screen once, turn it back on, then it goes in black on this, and now I can actually control it. So if I go up down there, it goes up down here as well. So it should be working if you have any more than your laptop. But yeah, so yeah, this works as well. Alright, so guys, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and this is Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.